So I think we're ready. I think you're ready. I certainly know that I'm ready. In the last couple of conversations we've had about our breath and getting to this point of doing a breathwork session together, we've learned about the power of awareness, treating breath and conscious breathing with respect and understanding. We got up close and personal in episode 3 around what physiology we're going to optimize and what we're going to use, what we should be using, what we shouldn't be using. So now it's time to put it all together and to feel it in our body. So what I want you to do is find a place where you can be comfortable. You can do it sitting up or lying down. And I'm going to find a place that's a little bit more comfortable for me. And we're going to do our first breathwork session together.
Hey, back from the beach. Certainly found somewhere much more comfortable, definitely warmer. So as you're settling in for our first breathwork session here, again, it's about comfort. And this is a practice that you're about to start, okay? So getting comfortable, the optimal way to be is with a straight, neutral spine. So if you're sitting, it's sitting straight, not taut, but sitting straight. And if you're lying down, just relaxed. Maybe you need to prop up your legs, something under your knees in order to feel as much comfort as possible. And then allowing your awareness to simply fall to your breath. And just observe your breath. Are you breathing in and out through your mouth? Are you using your nose? And simply observe how you're feeling right now. And then obviously as I talk about it, you're going to start thinking about your breath. So I want you to start bringing your inhale into your nose. Low, slow through your nose. Maybe you feel those nostrils flare as you breathe that air in, down into your belly, and then simply relax that back out. Don't be too worried if it's easier for you to breathe out of your mouth. Ideally breathing in and out through our nose, but concentrate on your inhale through your nose and just letting that air fall back out in a balanced fashion. And here we go, we're going to just start breathing together, and then I'm going to do some balanced breathing. Just listen and follow along to my instructions here. Remembering that we are going to bring that air in, low, slow through our nose, down into the bottom part of our lungs, keeping that air in our leaves for longer, sending that relaxing, calm signal to our body. Breathing in, letting go. Gently in, relax it out. One more breath together, breathing in, relaxing out. In, 2, 3, 4, out. 2, 3, 4. In, 2, 3, 4, out. 2, 3, 4. Gently in through the nose, nice and slow. Relax, steady, letting go. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. In, out, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. Gently in, relax it out. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. Breathing into the belly. Relaxing out. Allowing your awareness to fold inward. Breathing in. Letting it go. Breathing at a cadence that works for you as best you're able, keeping that inhale and that exhale balanced. Gentle inhale, relaxed exhale. And simply allow your awareness to fold inward. If you need to, follow that breath in and down, and then follow that breath again up and out. Gently in, relax it out. Simply spend a little time being still and listen. Breathing in, relaxing out, breathing in, relax it out. That is your first breathwork session. I look forward to our next conversation. Keeping your breath low, slow, through your nose. Set yourself up here and try it real quick, right? So, we're sitting here on the couch, just talking, but take a couple of deep breaths where you're going, and then you go, then you go, you may even feel like a little bit lightheaded.